Are you looking for a quick breakfast recipe? This egg bread sandwich is perfect for you. This easy to make sandwich requires just a few simple ingredients and can be prepared in under 10 minutes. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Taste of Cooking and Baking. Today I am going to make this easy and delicious sandwich recipe. So let's make the recipe. First of all, in a bowl I am taking 2 eggs, 3 tablespoons of chopped onion, finely chopped 2 green chilies and chopped 2 tablespoons of fresh coriander leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix everything very well. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. After mixing all the ingredients very well, keep the mixture aside. Now heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a frying pan over low heat. Now pour the egg and spice mixture evenly. Now I am taking 2 slices of bread and dip one side of each slice into the egg mixture and then fold. This ensures that the bread absorbs all the rich and spicy flavors, making it even more delicious when cooked. Now keep in low flame for 2 to 3 minutes and then carefully flip the sandwich. This flavorful recipe is packed with the aromatic taste of onions, green chilies and coriander leaves, making it a perfect treat. And now fold the edges of the egg over the bread and place 2 slices of bread. Now spread some butter over the bread and using a spatula separate the 2 bread sandwich. Friends, there are more easy and delicious recipes on my channel. You can watch them. I hope you will like the recipes. Now fold the sandwich and fry in low flame for 2 minutes. The combination of crispy bread and egg mixture creates a perfect balance of texture and flavor, making it an ideal choice for breakfast. You can make this easy and delicious sandwich recipe anytime with simple ingredients. Once the egg bread sandwich is crispy and golden brown, remove it from the pan and place it in a cutting board. Cut it diagonally or into small squares for easy serving. Serve it with ketchup, chili sauce or a garlic mayo dip for extra flavor. Sprinkle some finely chopped coriander leaves or grated cheese on top for an added of taste. Enjoy your egg bread sandwich with a cup of tea, coffee or even a refreshing glass of juice for a complete meal experience. Serve it hot for the best taste and texture. If you enjoyed the recipe, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.